In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front wheel bearing on a Nissan NV2500. It's located behind the front wheel. After you lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have 8 21mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. You also have a center cap. You can remove that. Once you have all your lug nuts off, remove your wheel. You want to remove your 2 24mm bracket bolts. And remove your caliper with the bracket. To remove your rotor, slide off towards you and put it off to the side. On top of the frame rail is your ABS sensor plug. You need to remove that from the sensor by pushing down on the tab and pulling out. You also need to remove the sensor from its holder, which is underneath, pushing straight up and out. Now you need to remove your ABS sensor from all 3 brackets. On the back side of your knuckle, you have 4 19mm bolts. You need to remove those. Those bolts hold the wheel bearing to the knuckle. Now you need to remove your wheel bearing from your knuckle by hitting it with a hammer outwards. After you remove your wheel bearing from your knuckle, you want to clean up this surface. Before you install your wheel bearing, you can put some grease on the outside. You can install your ABS wire through the hole first, line up your holes, and then install it onto the knuckle. Now you can install your 4 bolts. Those 4 bolts get torqued down to 87 foot-pounds. Now you can reinstall your ABS wire into their holders. One here right on the knuckle, one right above it, one right above it. You have another bracket there you can clip the wire into. And up here, you can plug your wire in and secure your wire into its holder. Before you install your rotor, you can put some paste on the front of it. Before you reinstall your rotor, you want to clean the back side of it with a brush. Make sure all the rust is out. Install it, slide your caliper over your rotor, and install your 2 bolts. Tighten them down. Both of those bolts get torqued down to 111 foot-pounds. Install your center cap. Now tighten down all your lug nuts. Once you tighten down all your lug nuts, you need to torque them down to 131 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.